In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications for posts, groups, or pages. If you've ever missed an important update from a favorite page, group, or creator, this walkthrough is for you. I'll guide you through the simple process of turning on notifications so you never miss new posts again. First, open your Facebook app or go to Facebook in your browser and navigate to the page or group you want to keep up with. This could be any public page, a community group, or even a creator you're interested in. Once you're on their main profile or homepage, look for the follow button. If you're not following them yet, you'll usually see a button that says follow or something similar near the top of the page, close to their name or cover photo. Go ahead and click or tap that. Following is the first step because Facebook uses this to know that you're interested in their content. After you're following, the next step is to open the notification options. Once you've clicked follow, you'll often see the button change to following with a small bell icon or a menu next to it. Tap or click on that bell or on the word following to open the notification settings. On some versions of the app, you might see a separate notifications option directly on the page. If you do, choose that. When you open the notification settings, Facebook will show you different options for what you want to be notified about. This is where you can customize things. For example, you might see choices like getting notifications for all posts, highlights only, or turning notifications off. Select the option that makes the most sense for you. If you really don't want to miss anything, choose to receive notifications for all new posts. Depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop, you might also see extra options like notifications for live videos, events, or stories. Carefully read the on-screen prompts and toggle on the ones you care about. When you're done, simply close the menu. Your new settings are saved automatically. From now on, whenever that page, group, or profile shares new content, Facebook will send you notifications based on the preferences you just set. You can repeat these same steps for any other pages or groups you want to follow more closely, and you can always come back and adjust your notification settings at